Hi there, Dori Sukup here with the Dori Recommends section of the Inspiration Moments. I am super excited about this because as we're going through this entire crisis, I was sitting at home when it actually first started thinking, how can I add value? How can I contribute? What do people want from me? The same questions that I shared with you during the featured article, all these things were going through my head. So one day I was sitting on my balcony overlooking the ocean and just writing in my journal. And the more I wrote, the more information started pouring out of me. I don't know if you do this or not, but I highly recommend. There's still nothing better than a piece of paper and a pen to really get down your thoughts. So as I was sitting there and going through all my thought process on how I can contribute and how I can help, I decided to launch this nonprofit organization to help you. Now, I had bought this domain name a while ago, Global M.A.P.S Association. Don't you love the name? I absolutely love it because the whole purpose of this association is to unite, educate, and help you grow your business. So we are just now getting it together because it's a brand new launch for us. But I thought, what a perfect time to actually do something like this so we can help members of the community tap into valuable information that you need to navigate through the whole crisis that we are actually experiencing. So again, this is a nonprofit organization designed to unite and offer help. That's really what I want. I want everybody globally to be part of this platform so we can all share and be part of the solution so everybody will rise again stronger than ever before. I want to be that positive force. I truly want to help you make an impact. That is my commitment to you. So I want to invite you to go to globalmetspa.association.com, globalmetspa.association.com, and there's just now one page because we're just working on this. See, we're busy working even though we're not open, but we're busy working. So what I want you to do is go over there and register, and you're going to be getting notifications on all the things we're going to be sharing. And I want to do a call out to anybody who would love to be a contributor, because this is not just all about me. It's about us sharing. As a matter of fact, one of our values that I came up with is to share. And sharing we must in times like this. So anybody who has value they can contribute, on the page, there's an opportunity for you to become a contributor where you can come and be interviewed by me or give us content, give us articles, give us videos, things that we can share with the community to help everybody surpass this, come out of it, but also to continue beyond this virus, to have this nice platform that the M.A.P.S Association or the M.A.P.S industry can be all united and can be together. That's how I took lemon to make lemonade, to help you through this difficult time that we are actually experiencing right now. So that's my recommendation for you. So go again to globalmetspa.association.com to learn more. And there we're going to be posting all the M.A.P.S videos that I'm going to be doing as part of the educational program to manage disruption and come up with a recovery plan. So I hope that you join us, and I look forward to helping you rise again. Remember, it is Easter. It's all about rising, and praise the Lord for Him keeping us safe and helping us rise again. So happy Easter, and I will talk to you soon. God bless. Until next time, stay inspired.